Hello everyone, I'm Faral Imran and today I brought you some exciting news about OpenAI. OpenAI project is called Strawberry and it's also known as QStar. In this video, I'll be telling you all about it, so stay tuned until the end so that you don't miss any information regarding it. Let's get started. So if I scroll down here, so it says that like how artificial intelligence has made some great achievements in a short amount of time, but there's some things much to be done. Like how you can see like ChatGPT and Claude Sonnet, they offer amazing capabilities, but they have some limitations. Now they said that this will start to change because last week Reuters reported that OpenAI, which is the creator of ChatGPT, is working on a new approach to AI models as part of a project called Strawberry, also known as QStar. Now, what this project will do, it will grant large language models improved reasoning. So the reasoning would be improved so that instead of just giving the answers, instead of models just giving the answer, they would be able to reason and understand that what kind of question the user is asking. So that according to that, it will reason and give the answers according to. And although the source familiar with the matter didn't confirm when Strawberry would be released, but they did share the internal documentation which provided some basic details about the project. And also, here it says that the model was formerly known as QStar, and here they said that the OpenAI's model will reportedly feature enhanced reasoning capabilities. It will be able to handle more complex multi step tasks, and this solution could operate more autonomously than existing LLMs. So, then the existing LLMs, which is the large language model, this solution it would operate more autonomously. And about OpenAI Strawberry, so they say that information is scarce, but one of the documents which is reviewed by Reuters, they describe that the project that uses the Strawberry models, it would navigate the internet autonomously to perform deep research. Means it would search the internet for the information, like to perform the deep research. So they would navigate the internet and search the internet. And now this would enable a model to score the internet, extracting information from articles and other content which it could then use to continuously improve its reasoning over time. Now, here what it says that now this would enable a model to search the internet, extract the information from the articles or content, and then they could use it to continuously improve its reasoning over time. Now, here it also said that Strawberry shares similarity with the self taught reasoner STAR technique developed at Stanford in 2022. Under STAR, a model can iteratively create its own training data and become more intelligent over time. Now, the source also said that internal documents suggest OpenAI is designing Strawberry to perform long horizon tasks, means more complex tasks, which require a model to perform a series of action over time. And giving the model the capability to perform such tasks would grant it greater independence than today's LLMs. Means than today's LLMs, it would have the greater independence. And Alon Yamin, co-founder and CEO of CopyLeaks, also said that OpenAI Strawberry signals a significant stride in AI capabilities, potentially revolutionizing how we interact with generative AI technology and how it solves complex problems. So, this project would have some amazing AI capabilities, such as like how we interact with generative AI technologies and how it would solve complex problems, and even the implications for research, software development, and even scientific discovery are immense. Now, they say as we embrace this frontier, we must continue to prioritize the implementation of comprehensive guardrails. Guardrails will ensure that AI advancement like Strawberry are harnessed responsibility, mitigating potential risk, and maximizing their positive impact on society. Guardrails mean the limits and so that it would not be used negatively, it would use for the positive and for the benefit of humanity. Now, why does strawberry matter? Now, why does this project matter? Now, they say that OpenAI's LLM development is evolving so that its AI models will be able to learn more independently and conduct complex multi step tasks. Now, they said that models using this approach will be able to automate a wider range of tasks than current LLMs, which require a high level of human oversight. Now, users not only need to enter prompts to use ChatGPT, they also need to fact check its output to make sure there are no hallucinations and incorrect statements. Now, how in ChatGPT used to be that, like, for example, whatever question you ask and whatever answers ChatGPT gives or any other model gives, you have to check it whether it's actually correct or no. Because down here it's written that the model might give incorrect answers. So you have to check it. But now they're saying with this approach, it would be able to automate, and also it would like give more accurate answers rather than the hallucinations and incorrect statements. Now, because they said that LLMs don't think autonomously like human beings. Now they're trained to learn patterns in human language and predict responses to basic input. Now, as a result, they don't think in the way a human would, and they don't have a notion of common sense or logic. So, because LLMs and the models, they don't have common sense or logic, and they don't think like humans. So, they're just trained and they're just learn the patterns in human language, and that too for the responses to the basic inputs, so they don't think in the way a human would. Now, they say that strawberry will add some innovations to the market, but at this stage it's important not to get too wrapped up in the hype, because ahead of the release of GPT 4.0 there were lots of rumors of a release of GPT 5 also, and GPT-4 has been a solid multi-modal entry to the LLM market. It hasn't been able to pull away from the crowd of other popular language models like Claude 3 Opus, Sonnet, or Gemini in terms of its performance. So they're saying not to get too excited about it. Now, they say if Strawberry unveils new techniques that can enhance the reasoning capabilities of LLMs, then it will be a welcome addition to the market, much in the same way retrieval augmented generation and other techniques have been. So this new technique, if it's like successful, so it would make a better addition to the market. So that is all for my side. Thank you so much.